In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and sum in Google Sheets using both simple addition and the sum function. Whether you're managing a budget or analyzing data, knowing how to perform these operations can make your work with spreadsheets much more efficient and accurate. First, we'll start by learning how to perform a basic addition of numbers within the spreadsheet. Open up your Google Sheets. For our example, we're going to concentrate on adding the values inside cells A3, A4, and A5. Once you've identified these cells, you'll need to decide where you want the sum of these numbers to be displayed. Commonly, you might select the cell right below the last one containing data, just to keep things neatly together. Once you've selected a cell, you're ready to enter your first formula. In your selected cell, type an equal sign followed by A3, then a plus sign, A4, another plus sign, and A5. Your formula should look something like this. It A3 plus A4 plus A5. This tells Google Sheets that you want to add the values from these specified cells. Once you've typed in the formula, press the Enter key. Google Sheets will automatically compute the result and display it in the cell you selected. Now, let's delve into using the sum function, which is especially useful when you're working with larger ranges of cells. For this example, we're going to calculate the sum of several cells, from C3 to C9. Again, pick a cell where you'd like this sum displayed, perhaps right below your selected range. In that cell, type an equal sign, then the word sum, followed by an open parenthesis. Next, highlight the range of cells from C3 to C9 using your cursor or simply type C3, C9. This step instructs Google Sheets to consider all the values in these cells as part of your addition. Finally, close the parenthesis and hit the Enter key. That's it. You've successfully calculated not just individual cell sums, but also larger ranges using the sum function. A handy tip to keep in mind: if you make any changes to the numbers within these ranges after entering your formula, Google Sheets will automatically update the sum, streamlining your data management even further. These formulas are a fantastic way to get started with analyzing data in Google Sheets. As you get more comfortable, try experimenting with larger data sets or combining these methods with other functions to unlock even more potential from your spreadsheets. Whether you're managing daily expenses or compiling statistical reports, mastering these simple techniques can significantly boost your productivity and data handling skills.